Today I'm going to show you something powerful. How to learn anything faster using just one tool. Most people waste hours searching and still not understand, but here's the smarter way. Go to Wikipedia and type any topic you want. First, read only the introduction. This gives you a full basic understanding in seconds. Then, don't scroll randomly. Use the table of content to jump exactly where you need. Now, here's the secret. Tape the blue link inside the article. This is how you go deeper and actually master the topic. And finally, check the references sections. That's where the real, trusted information comes from. Do this and you will stop wasting time and start learning like a pro. I post daily tech tutorials. Hit subscribe so you don't miss the next one. Thank you.